Hey there, need to convert videos on your PC but not sure which software to use? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best video converter software that'll make converting your videos super easy. We're talking speed, ease of use, and video quality. Let's dive in. Stick around till the end for my personal pick, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. First up, we're kicking things off with Handbrake. It's completely free and open source. Handbrake supports a wide range of video formats including MP4, MKV, and WebM. Need to convert an old AVI file to MP4 for your phone? Handbrake's got you. One of the things I love about Handbrake is its compression capabilities. You can shrink down those large video files without sacrificing too much quality. Handbrake's interface is pretty straightforward. You just select your video, choose your output format, and hit start. You can adjust things like the video codec, the resolution, the frame rate, and the audio settings. Overall, Handbrake is a fantastic option for anyone who needs a reliable and easy-to-use video converter. It's free, it's powerful, and it gets the job done. Next up is AnyVideo Converter, another solid free option with some extra features. It handles all the basic video conversions you could ask for. Where AnyVideo Converter really sets itself apart is with its bonus features. It has a built-in YouTube downloader, so you can directly download videos from YouTube. It comes with a basic video editor that lets you trim, crop, add subtitles, and apply effects. It supports a massive library of formats, including some less common ones. AnyVideo Converter also has a paid version called AnyVideo Converter Ultimate, which unlocks even more features. The Ultimate version is a worthwhile investment if you need those extra features. Finally, let's talk about Wondershare UniConverter. It's not free, but it's in a whole different league. The speed is insane thanks to GPU acceleration. The quality? Top-notch. It uses advanced algorithms to preserve the original quality. Wondershare UniConverter is packed with features like advanced editing tools, screen recording, video compression, DVD burning, and GIF making. It even supports 3D and VR videos. The interface is clean, modern, and intuitive. Even if you've never used a video converter before, you'll be able to figure it out in no time. Wondershare UniConverter is a premium software, so it's not cheap, but it's worth every penny if you're serious about video and need a tool that can do it all. So there you have it, guys, the top 3 best video converter software options for your PC in 2024. Whether you're looking for something free and easy to use like Handbrake, something with a few extra features like AnyVideo Converter, or a professional-grade powerhouse like Wondershare UniConverter, there's definitely a tool out there for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, tips, and tutorials. And let me know in the comments down below which video converter software you're going to try. End screen with text. Subscribe for more tech tips.